Hey everyone, ever wondered what happens when you blend anime with realism or vintage with vaporwave? Let's mix the multiple art styles using Playground AI and create something uniquely you. Let's get started. First, open the playgroundai.com and log in and start a new canvas. Then here, click the create new design and here in the prompt box, describe your subject and include the art style that you want to combine, like this example prompt here. And here in the prompt box, you need to be detailed and specific with your idea. And choose your art style AI model. Below the prompt, you can choose the base model if you want. Then, you can now refine with modifiers. You can add extra keywords like highly detailed, soft lighting, 80s retro colors, and more. These will influence how the style merge. And once done, you can now hit generate and see how the AI blends those styles. Try switching the order of style keywords to get different result. You can use image to image for layered effects if you want more depth. Take your first output and switch to image and add a new style to remix it further. And that's it. With Playground AI, you're not stuck to one look. Mix, match, and experiment with styles to create something truly original. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tricks. Thanks for watching.